Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to share with you a chart that no one is watching, the 2-week chart on Bitcoin with the 50 period moving average on the 2-week chart. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave a comment down below what do you think about this video. Now look, this is a very dangerous behavior that we're seeing right now. Let's look first on the stochastic RSI on the 2-week chart. Okay, you can see when the 2-week chart crossing down back down, this is a very bearish sign. If it start a trending move down, the last two time was here. You can see this one and this one. Let me mark you this with that line, okay, the vertical lines. You can see every time you had a major cross down and a trending move down on the momentum RSI, okay, you had one in November 2021, and another one in April 2022. I want you to be aware, okay, because there is a big risk of a big move down. Now, you can see what happened, man. From this cross, if you measure it from here, you don't need to go all the way to the top, but even from this cross, you drop 43% on Bitcoin. And here, this one in April, from the cross right here, you dropped 60%. So 60% here and 40% here. Even if you go, you divide it by half, the first one, it's still a 20% pullback. Bro, you need to be careful. This is a major warning sign. Now also we have this 50 period moving average on the 2-week chart that nailed the Bitcoin top here, nailed the Bitcoin top, and you have divergence. I will show you the divergence also on the RSI later, but you can see you have divergence on the stochastic here. RSI going down, market made a higher high. I'm going to show you it's much more bearish on the regular RSI, the divergence, but this is very bad, man. This is a clear rejection from this MA. Look, we are expecting a pullback now on Bitcoin, and pretty much we're expecting a big pullback on Bitcoin now because of this signal that just flashed. Now look, the signal is not confirmed till the end of the next 10 days, okay? You need to wait actually 10 days for this candle 2-week chart to print, but as for now it's looking pretty bearish. So make sure to watch the 2-week candle close with the stochastic. If it prints this signal even a bit lower, that's bearish for Bitcoin and crypto, and we're probably heading lower, man. And we can definitely test on this move, this area around the 20k and maybe even the lower area. Okay, you have to be prepared. Anything is possible in the market. You can see a big move down now, okay, a big move down. Now let me show you what I'm talking about on the RSI. Okay, this is a bearish video, but you know, sometimes you gotta be prepared for the bear case. Okay, you cannot just be prepared for the bull case, because then you're gonna get yourself wrecked at some point. Okay, so 3-day chart, look at the 3-day chart. Okay, look at the 3-day chart with the RSI. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, you have this strong bearish divergence here. You can see higher high, and then you had another higher high. Okay, so market make higher highs and RSI making lower high. Let me see if I can show you what I mean here. Okay, you can see RSI making lower highs, market making higher highs. So that was the top on the RSI for Bitcoin in 2023. It happened in February, and only now it's turning around, man. And look what happened just now, man. Just now we dropped below the 43 ish level on the RSI, and we just made a new low below these two lows. This is not good, my friend. This is not good. Again, this candle is now still on. You have another 2 days and 3 hours, but things can escalate very fast in Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin is a very volatile asset. That's why we love him. It goes up strong and then it goes down strong. I believe we are in a bull market since here. We're just gonna get a pullback now, but this pullback can be pretty big because you had no major correction. You just had little pullbacks. This was a pullback, and this was a pullback since the beginning of the year. We're now almost in September, okay? 9 months without major correction. Now, maybe now, and usually markets correcting in September and in August because, you know, people are in vacation, taking profits, taking the money to spend on, you know, spend money in the summer. So you can expect a big move down now, man. A big move, much bigger than those, because these were not corrections. Okay, correction in price is very natural, and it's a great time to short. But, you know, not a financial advice, your own research. And look, now you have a risk, major risk for Bitcoin here. This trend line is now starting to break. Okay, it looks like it's breaking down already as we speak. You can see the breakdown here on the trend line, and your move here for the correction is usually minimum for the 50% retracement on the fib. Obviously, it can go all the way to the 19.6 and maybe even to do a double bottom. You never know. This is Bitcoin. It can come back and do a double bottom before you see another leg up. Okay, so be careful out there. You're getting now a signal here, probably short seller are jumping on this move here. We're breaking down below this major trend line. You can see a big drop. Obviously, it's probably not gonna crash in one go, but you can test this level, the 25k. You can test it in the next couple of days. Maybe get a little bounce or a bigger bounce, and then, you know, you can get a big crash. Okay, so be prepared, guys. Make sure to like this video if you find the information useful. Okay, you know, trading, investing is important to know when to take profits and when to use stops. If you're up in profits on your altcoin position, if you're up 10x, 5x, 3x, 9x, whatever, man, you don't want to hodl them and they go down on you. At least take 50%, 30%. Take your initial capital. Don't let all the gains come back to break even or maybe even to a loss. Don't do it yourself. But this is your decision. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you what to do. By the way, if you want to come short with us, the market, now we took some shorts to try to make money on this pullback or correction. So if you're interested in trading with us, link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.